in a Ziploc bag, then press grid lines with chopsticks. Freeze it, and it's easy to break apart. Take as much as you need. 5. Thread vegetables through small holes to strip leaves easily. 6. Take a spoon, tape it onto your thumb, and cutting vegetables becomes effortless. 7. Heat a bottle cap with a lighter, poke it gently with a skewer, cut off the tip after cooling, and pouring oil is much easier. 8. The pull ring from soy sauce vinegar bottles. Don't throw it away. Flip it inside the bottle mouth. This prevents splashing everywhere. 9. Flour gets bugs easily. Put in a few bay leaves and seal. No more pests. 10. Store apples with potatoes. Cover with a towel, and potatoes last much longer. 11. Put a steamed bun in a bowl, pour in milk, let it soak and expand, air fry at 180 for 10 minutes, and you'll get a giant crispy bun. Crunchy outside, super tasty. 12. Don't throw away orange peels. Cut into strips, put into a jar, add 2 spoons of baking soda, fill with water and seal. Refrigerate for a week, and you'll have natural dish soap. It cleans well and won't hurt your hands. Plus, it leaves a fresh scent. Follow me for more life hacks.